Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu ba shomor wai. Ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Ma kertang complete. Tambah jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party kala penpa bak Kloi ban Pdiang ya menteri rang ba berim ke jela u Dr Mukul Sangma. Syaka parti Shwa ke Elekshon ke Banlong House nem Hajar Arpupra da ke penpau ba ke jingkhang jong ke parti ke pli baro arpu saw kenta. Na ke benta ban Pdiang ya kinong yalam kibala tebit man kentiu ya ke jela Meghalaya. Ha ka jingakran miklap thai kubor u president ka NCP Meghalaya unit u Omilo ke Sangma u balongru MLA berim jongga Kharkuta constituency u laong baka parti kala sedang ban penklan biang ya ka parti da ka bapan jingkershan na gipat ba.
His coming and not coming is depend upon him, but if he convince us to stay in our party, so we have to consult with our leaders. They are in Delhi, in Mumbai. We have to consult with them.
So from your part, will you accept him to be with you?
So we have to accept. Party is not belong to me. Party belongs to people. We have to accept it. NCP party, as you are aware, it has come during the time of Sangma. During the time of Sangma, NCP has got 13 MLAs. So, with no reason, Sangma along with his MLAs came out from NCP party. After that also, Sangma was the president. So after Sangma Saleng Sangma also was president of the NCP party. When Saleng Sangma defected to Congress party, nobody looked after NCP party. So after that, I inducted as a president of the NCP party in Meghalaya. So we are restarted the party. I believe there will be strong response in the Meghalaya to strengthen the party again. NCP party have no reason to leave, but MLAs are run away from NCP party. NCP party is clear, no remark, nothing at all. But if the MLAs run away from the party, what we can say? So people request us to reorganize the NCP party. So they want to vote for the NCP party.
Naso tu eta ka jing ngok ke hoi kadai sya kata ka parti jing sya ka along bayap te hadien ba ngasai marwai Haus Saleng satu kupur dengan bat kum sekretari jong bayut dengan ngasai marwai ka parti ba Haus Saleng lalai no sya ka kongres te hadien nang tu pat te ngadang ailat Shwa bakin ya kedua wan ngagini napo Delhi kun kedua ngacani te nang tu ngia penbet ba kin pen klan Shwa sipo Garo Hills te baide ba kan kasih hills ngong ailat Shwa nga ban ngan kam chok tha Shwa sipo te hadien bang ladap ya ka Garo Hills pan ting sedang ban tur mentai ni kasih hills bat babun ni mentai gibun kinopit kam gibanga ngaladap tung gibang konsol lang bo presiden bangin ailam kipus bokik presiden bat kiwe dah te muslap chu ngan sa IP kiles kit kinopit nang kam tmai menta bat ngakerpat baro kiba dan hang ni pori kasi kiba baro ngi thu ya ka NCP kam dari ke parti ke batmai kadai ke parti ke berim bat baro ngi tip lut ke NCP ke baje bat khulung khana lut tip ke baje te ngi kerpat ke lada pidon sya ke jengmut ban ya trei banora ya ke jengkela te wan chakmat ngi trei lang wan bandrung hapok ke parti ngilong ba Kloi ngilong ba Pdiang kumpamane flakli presiden ru ba lada wan ta Mukul Pdiang nem ngilong ba Pdiang mangi kwa bangin ya trei nam ta ka bahakamat nam ta ka ri khasi kamtam bat ka state ba koi kata ka de thong jungi nomor ke jing bun ba po state kawan ti ngin persyang nimla kular rengin persiampat bani trailang ladangi trailang ba pa boro hi ngila ban le anu kam de kawai kalong ba ngaong ye kini ki kandidat ki batmai menta ki bani le ya kan ka MDC po Karhils ngong ngahikai ki ru ba kimdei bani kawang mau kawang keti ya ki wi parti ki yanoi nuru yang me ekanong rem keren me ekanong rem ke ka jemut jumpi ba pile ya ki MDC ata ada yang bangi kisngap at kikongo ke ka bangi hikai par hadu mentar kam judon kata kajin kawang mau di kongti apo Karhils por kele campaign po jaka ki ha konsumsi jumki tal no bos tana.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.